Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks and another little video about the drop shadow. If you go to your drop shadow and pick on an object and just move it over, you got a shadow. Well, your shadow is normally gray because of different things in your color palette, but you can make it stronger or weaker. You can make it stronger. You can feather it where it'll look like it's a little bit more fuzzy, or you can make it a different color. You don't have to, it doesn't have to be a black shadow. You can go to object, break the drop shadow apart, and you can make the shadow yellow. You can make it green and then hold down the shift key and add a little blue to it. You could add a little red to it. You could have any color shadow you wanted. You don't have to stay with what, and because they're broken apart, you could actually have two shadows. We'll make a copy of that one, hit the plus key, and see how it got darker because it's on top of it. Now you've got two shadows. I don't know where you'd ever want that, but just a different effect. Anyway, hope that helped just a little bit. Thank you for watching.